What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do project 3.4 Chicago Cab Fare app. Let's go ahead and make a new folder. Actually right here. I'm going to call my case 3.4. Close that out. And then we're going to go ahead and open up Android Studio. Okay, let's go ahead and start a new project. Next, it's going to be empty project, empty activity, and we're going to call it Chicago Cab Fare app. Put in the right directory. Hit open. So we are going to need a logo for the app. Let's go ahead and just grab that from Safari. Car. We're going to use this one. Save image as cab desktop. Close it. Now we're going to export the image to a PNG. So it looks like it's really PNG. But I'm going to go ahead and make a new one anyways. Just be on the safe side. Okay. Let's go ahead and put that in our thing. Going to go ahead and copy it. Okay. So let's go ahead and paste the image first. It's good. It has to be lowercase. Okay, that's pasted. So next we're gonna go ahead and just do our typical end statement, end main activity, and then here end on create. Okay, go to your XML. It's not gonna have the action bar, and we'll go ahead and make it black. Let's go ahead and select our phone, Pixel 2, no layout, app theme. Okay, that was weird. No themes. I mean, more themes. I'm going to type in black. No title bar. Hit OK. Sweet. Let's go ahead and get rid of the hello world. Alright. Next, we're going to go to styles. Go over here. And let's delete all that and put no action bar. Okay. We close that. Save it. Let's go ahead and add the strings. So we're going to have a title, text title, and we'll just go ahead and call it cab on the go. Then we're going to have the logo, image of company logo. Okay. And then we're also going to have the results, so text result, and we'll just leave it blank, so space. Okay, and if we need anything else, we'll go ahead and add it. Oh, actually we will. So we're going to have a spinner, so let's go ahead and add that now. Spinner, my bad, string array, and then we'll call it types of cabs, and we're just gonna have so okay, we're gonna have smart car, sedan, and minivan. Okay, save it. So we're going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to exit out. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the title. text title, constraints, equals 600, and we're going to associate that with the title, and we're going to make that size 36, probably do 42. Okay, so next we're going to do the image. So it's centered, supposedly. We're going to go ahead and add the content description. Let's go ahead and move that up to 400. 350. Yeah, 350 is fine. Okay, so that's good. Cab on the go, cab, and then we're going to go ahead and the request. We're going to go ahead and add the mileage that we want to go. Okay, so yeah, I guess we're going to do mileage. So we're going to go ahead and do number decimal. Add that in here. Go ahead and call that text mileage. Let's go ahead and make a hint. Hint, enter mileage to destination. Then we're going to have a prompt. Select a cab. Okay. Let's go ahead and associate the hint. And let's add that spinner now. Your ISBN, cabs, types of cabs, doesn't matter. And then we're going to go ahead, select dialog, entries, we're going to do types of cabs, and the prompt. Here you go. It's going to be select a cab. Let's go ahead and change the size. I'll just put 1. Okay, smart car. Alright, and then next we're going to have just the results. So I'm going to just put text view, results, text result. Do 150. Okay, and then we're just going to go associate that with text result. Hit OK, and we'll go ahead and make that size 20 SP. Alright, let's go ahead and save the app. Let's see if everything's running correctly right now. So hit run. and hit OK. While the app's loading, I'm going to go ahead and just start declaring the Java variables. So underneath the main activity above override, we're going to do the variables. So the first thing we have is the initial fee, so we'll do double initial fee equals 3.00. Okay. And then we also have the mileage rate. That equals 3.25 per mile. Okay. We're going to also have another one called total cost. Okay. And then we'll add more if we need to, but I think that's going to be fine. So let's go ahead and see if the app's working. Cab on the go, cab free, enter mileage, smart car. Select the cab. Yep, everything looks good. Go ahead and close it. Okay. So let's go ahead and add the code. Let's go ahead and do the button first. So, oh, and also we're going to have a string. And that string is just going to be cab selected. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Final edit text, and we'll just go ahead and call that mileage equals parentheses edit text, find by view r.id text mileage. Also have another final spinner. Oopsies. Alright. Spinners. Go ahead and just delete this one. Spinner. Type cab equals edit spinner. I'm review r.id.spn cabs. Okay. Go ahead and instantiate the button now. So button compute. I'll just do button 1 equals button find review r.id. Oh wow, I didn't add the button. So just go ahead and do button cost. Okay. Save that. Activity main, strings as well. Button cost. Press to calculate cost. Activity main. Button. Go ahead and bring this one down. 300. Do 200. Just do 0. It looks fine. Alright, so the button cost. Do 75. Okay, let's see where text results at. Just right underneath that. So we're going to go ahead and do 100. Okay, so button is going to be associated with button cost. Go ahead and make that 25 SP. Okay. You might actually be able to get away with raising it a little bit. 125. 150. That's good. Okay. So we have the button now. Java recognized it. Okay. So button 1 dot set on click listener new view on click listener and button 1. Well, here we're just gonna go ahead and add some comments real quick. There you go. Declare, actually, finalize. Actually, it's instantiate pretty much. Instantiate, edit text, spinner, and button. Okay. So we're going to code the app where we instantiated the spinner, the edit text for the mileage the user is going to enter. We're creating the button. Just finished coding the button. I mean, like setting it up. So now we're going to actually code. So I already have initial fee for every mile. They're going to be charged extra. So mileage rate. So let's go ahead and get a double. And it takes mileage. So we're going to make a new variable called double and call that miles. Okay, so here what we're going to do is do miles equals double dot parse double, and then we're going to do the spinner one we just did, which is type. I mean mileage. What am I doing? We're doing mileage dot get text. My bad. Dot toString. Go ahead and close that out. Okay, so we have miles. Then we're going to do total cost equals miles. So let's put this in parentheses. Miles times mileage rate plus the initial fee. Okay, that's that. And then we're going to do a decimal format for the money. We'll just call it currency equals new decimal format, and do this the standard 123, comma 123 period. Okay, we got that. And then there's selection. So I have string cap selected equals, we have type cap dot what do you call it, get selected, select the item dot toString, and then result, which I didn't make, and that's going to be final as well. So final result equals text view, and then outside the parentheses, find ID r.id dot text result. There you go. Okay. So text result here, which is just a result. Already instantiated. Result equals dot set text equals, we're not gonna do equals, okay, we're gonna do, let's see what the book says. So the app name, company logo, create your learner, user things, right. The result of the requested type of cab with the cost of the fare. Okay, so type of cab selected, and then space, and then plus cab selected plus space cab fare, and then go ahead and just get it out of the way, and then plus total cost dot, oh my bad, currency dot format, and then total cost. Okay. Go ahead and just put that down here. Alright, so that should work. Let's go ahead and run it now. Let's go ahead and test out the initial fee of $3. So we're just going to do 0 mileage, keep it at smart car, press to calculate. Type of cab selected, smart car, cab fare, $3. Good. So let's go ahead and do 15 miles. Minivan. Calculate. Type of cab fare selected, minivan, cab fare, $4.25. And that's pretty much how you would do it. If you want an extra, if you want a new line, we could do this. So we'd go here, cab fare, and then we could just do, see if this works. That might not work, but we could try it out. So that thing I did, the forward slash, is essentially in Java is a new line. So it adds a new line for your text. So we're gonna do D12 again. Yep. Keep it at smart car. Calculate, and there should be a new line. Yep. Type of cab selected, smart car, cab fare. That space is because I have a space here, but if we close it, it would be in, right underneath the type. And we could go ahead and just do cab fare like that. And that's pretty much how you would do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like it if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it. Comment, suggestions, ideas, questions, concerns, if any. And I'll see you on the next one.